creating beautiful and functional living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Whether you're a grill master or just love hosting sunset dinners, a covered outdoor kitchen is the ultimate home upgrade. Let's dive into how you can transform your backyard into a 5-star culinary escape. A covered outdoor kitchen is more than just a grill sitting on a patio. It is a fully functional culinary space equipped with appliances, storage, and prep surfaces, all protected by a structural roof, pergola, or pavilion. By adding a cover, you are essentially extending your home's square footage and creating a year-round living room that isn't dependent on the weather. The primary reason to choose a covered setup is protection, not just for you while you cook, but for your high-end appliances and cabinetry, which helps prevent rust and sun damage. Beyond the utility, it significantly boosts your property value and becomes the heartbeat of your social life, allowing you to host seamless indoor-outdoor gatherings. To make your outdoor kitchen look like a professional designer handled it, you should treat it with the same aesthetic care as your indoor space. Start by choosing a cohesive color palette that complements your home's exterior. For instance, using natural stone veneers or sleek stainless steel can bridge the gap between modern and rustic. Lighting is your best friend here. Incorporate a mix of task lighting over the grill, warm pendant lights over the dining bar, and some ambient LED strips along the baseboards to create a high-end glow at night. Adding indoor touches like weather-resistant rugs, comfortable bar stools, and even a few potted oversized ferns can soften the hard surfaces and make the area feel incredibly inviting. The right equipment can turn a simple barbecue spot into a chef's paradise. Start with a high-quality built-in gas or wood-fire grill as your centerpiece. But don't stop there. A weather-rated outdoor refrigerator and a deep stainless steel sink are game-changers for convenience. For the covered aspect, consider adding a motorized louvered roof that lets you control the sunlight or a permanent wooden pavilion with integrated ceiling fans to keep the air moving on hot afternoons. To truly elevate the experience, add a pizza oven for family nights or a sleek fire pit table nearby to ensure your guests stay cozy long after the meal is over. Covering your outdoor kitchen with a roof, awning, pergola, or canopy can protect you and your cooking equipment from too much rain or sunshine. Place it under a gazebo, pavilion, or back porch or patio roof extension to make it functional in any kind of weather. From fully equipped standalone kitchens to patio grill stations attached to the house, check out these 15 stylish covered kitchen areas in a range of styles and price points for inspiration. One outdoor kitchen pergola. A pergola will provide partial cover to an outdoor kitchen. This Southern California space from Brian Brown's studio is topped by a pergola to mitigate harsh rays while you're working over the grill or whipping up brunch on a Sunday. 2. Covered kitchen dining. If your outdoor kitchen is covered by a permanent structure, clad the ceiling in a contrasting material to add visual interest. This covered brick and concrete patio kitchen has a wood-clad ceiling with integrated lighting to make the space usable day or night. 3. Covered balcony grill. If you're an apartment or condo dweller who is fortunate enough to have a balcony, a built-in grilling station can feel like a luxury. Position your grill under the roof to keep it covered on rainy days. 4. Outdoor kitchen skylight. Install a skylight in an outdoor kitchen roof structure that will allow light to pour in while protecting the space from the elements. This poolside kitchen and dining area is sheltered from above by wood slat walls and a pitched steel and glass skylight. 5. El-shaped patio kitchen. Help keep a covered outdoor kitchen from feeling closed in by utilizing vertical space. Marie Flanagan Interiors decorated this patio kitchen with a tall patterned tile backsplash and a luxurious range hood that reaches the ceiling that draws the eye upward. 6. Outdoor grill with pergola. Match your covered outdoor kitchen structure with cabinetry for a polished feel. Kathy Hong Interiors outfitted this outdoor grilling station located just outside of the indoor kitchen with pale wood on the pergola and storage cabinets. 7. Outdoor kitchen awning. Use a large retractable awning or canopy to add cover to your outdoor kitchen in the height of summer. This outdoor kitchen from Fantastic Frank is sheltered from the elements by a large canopy in a neutral fabric that can be put away when the weather cools off. 8. Semi-shaded kitchenette. A slanted wood slat pergola-style roof adds partial shade and protection from the elements. Adjust the gap between wood slats according to how much coverage you prefer. 9. Vaulted roof. A vaulted roof will add charm to a standalone outdoor kitchen. This luxurious space from Officine Gullo on the property of a waterfront house in Colorado is fully equipped for preparing gourmet meals with a view. 10. Transitional style kitchen. Place your outdoor grill or kitchen on a covered porch or patio for maximum shelter from the elements. Install a large dining table for easy all-weather entertaining. 11. Outdoor kitchen with roof. Give your outdoor kitchen the allure of a private bar and grill with a modern solid roof structure. This space has open sides that connect it to the rest of the backyard pool and entertaining space. 12. Covered kitchen fireplace. A solid roof will allow you to install a cozy feature like an outdoor fireplace. This multifunctional space has a half-wall kitchenette finished in the same painted white brick as the adjoining white brick corner fireplace for a seamless look. 13. Rustic outdoor kitchen roof. Cover your outdoor kitchen with a roof made from metal and wood beams for a rustic feel. This standalone modern farmhouse-style kitchen from Marie Flanagan Interiors has an indoor-outdoor feel but is well protected from the elements. 14. Screened-in porch kitchen. Create an indoor-outdoor feel with a screened-in porch kitchen. Dotson Interiors and Giles Campbell Architects installed a semi-outdoor kitchenette into the red brick wall that includes a large grill, hood vent, and refrigerated storage for all-season use. 15. Covered patio pizza kitchen. Create a light and airy feel in your covered outdoor kitchen with an all-white palette. This space from A Beautiful Mess is built into a back wall of the large poolside patio and decorated with natural greenery. Creating a covered outdoor kitchen is an investment in your lifestyle and your home's future. It's about more than just food. It's about creating a space where memories are made, stories are shared, and the stress of the day simply melts away. With the right design and a few key pieces, your backyard can become your favorite room in the house. If you're ready to take your backyard to the next level, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more daily inspiration. Comment below and tell us, which of these 10 ideas was your favorite? Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a transformation. See you in the next video.